So I get asked all the time, what's the easiest way or the best way or the way to take your oils internally? So if you have your doTERRA essential oil, this is Smart and Sassy blend. This is great for the metabolism and everything to do with food, if you know what I mean. But I love this. This contains like cinnamon and grapefruit, peppermint, ginger, lemon. It's delicious, and this is how I take it. About 2 drops land under my tongue. It rolls up onto my tongue. It's really delicious. I really love it. I find I need a sip of water just to wash it down, maybe 2. And that is like, there's a party going on in my mouth, and emotionally I'm getting all the benefits to my limbic lobe. But the reason I'm taking an oil internally is that I really want 100% of the goodness inside. Because when we apply an oil topically, only about 10% of it actually goes into our bodies to help us. So we really need to reapply often. But when we use an oil internally, we get 100% of the goodness into our bodies. So it packs a bit of a bigger punch, and I absolutely love the taste. So I hope that was a useful tip. Let me know what you think.